On August 19, 2024, the FDA approved a new combination treatment for patients with advanced non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, who have specific epidermal growth factor receptor, EGFR mutations. This new treatment pairs lazertinib, marketed as Lazcluze, with amivantamab, known as Rybrevant. It's designed for patients with exon 19 deletions or exon 21 L858R mutations, identified through an FDA-approved test. The approval comes on the heels of the MARIPOSA trial, a randomized, controlled study involving 1,074 patients with EGFR exon 19 or exon 21 mutations. These patients had not received prior systemic therapy for advanced NSCLC. Participants were divided into 3 groups, receiving either lazertinib with amivantamab, osimertinib monotherapy, or lazertinib alone, a treatment regimen that's not yet approved for NSCLC. The trial aimed to compare the progression-free survival, or PFS, between the combination therapy and osimertinib. Now let's talk results. The combination of lazertinib and amivantamab showed a statistically significant improvement in PFS. Patients on this regimen had a median PFS of 23.7 months, compared to 16.6 months for those on osimertinib alone. That's a major improvement. The hazard ratio for disease progression was 0.70, meaning a 30% reduction in the risk of progression or death. Though the data on overall survival is still maturing, early findings show no negative trends so far. At this point, 55% of the deaths needed for final analysis have been reported, but we're hopeful the survival benefits will become clearer as more data is collected. Of course, like any cancer treatment, this combination isn't without side effects. The most common adverse reactions, reported in at least 20% of patients, included rash, nail toxicity, infusion-related reactions, musculoskeletal pain, edema, stomatitis, venous thromboembolism, and others. Additionally, a serious safety signal for venous thromboembolism (VTE) was observed, prompting the recommendation for prophylactic anticoagulation during the first 4 months of therapy. While these side effects are manageable, it's crucial for healthcare providers to closely monitor patients for VTE and other serious adverse reactions. Now let's talk dosing. The recommended dose for lazertinib is 240 mg taken orally once daily. Amivantamab, on the other hand, is dosed based on the patient's body weight. Both medications can be taken with or without food, and the dosing must be tailored to the patient's individual needs. This FDA approval offers a promising new treatment option for NSCLC patients with EGFR mutations, improving progression-free survival and giving patients new hope. For more detailed prescribing information, visit the FDA's website or check out the link below. Subscribe to Oncology Tube and activate notifications for more videos like this.